in the downtime, I'm always doing Simpsons at the very least, yeah.
Do you, are you working every week with them?
Yeah.
Are they going to do another Simpsons movie?
I'm pretty sure that they are.
Yeah.
I don't know when.
But you told me you're going to move to New York.
Yes.
How can you do the Simpsons and live in New York?
I've recorded Simpsons from, you name a country, name a place.
They send you it and you go to a studio?
Yeah, wherever I am, they'll get a studio, they get an ISDN line, and you record it. You know, and for the table reads, I'm just on the phone. It's the easiest job in the world. I'm telling you, it's like Smurfs is my...
It beats work.
My father used to always say that to me. My father used to, who just passed away not long ago, used to look at what I did and go, beats working, son, I'll tell you that right now.
How do you find your voices? Were you always that way as a kid? Did you do voices as a kid?
Yes, always. I
imitate people?
Everyone. You know, I didn't know that everybody couldn't do it. I thought everybody could mimic things. I only realized it was a marketable skill when I was like 18 years old.
Give me a little Apu.
What would you like to talk about, Larry? May I say it's an honor, true honor to sit across from somebody.
It's an honor to have you.
And even every time I see suspenders, I feel honored. And now you're actually inside of them.
And Moe you gave us.
Moe, you had a little bit there. Don't get greedy, Larry. I already threw you, Moe.
Okay. All right. How about Chief Wiggum?
How about him? You don't have any legal problems that I should know about, do you, Larry? Any legal trouble? How about any donuts? Do you have any donuts on you? I'll accept either.
You said Moe is your dark alter ego. Is that true?
That is kind of true. I mean, I was a bartender. I feel like, in that, I'd probably still be a bartender in Queens if Moe wasn't a bartender.